Are you ready to transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis of sustainability and beauty? In this video, we're unveiling 12 brilliant ideas to create a drought-tolerant garden that thrives even in the driest climate. Say goodbye to high water bills and hello to a landscape that not only conserves water but captivates with its natural allure. Discover smart irrigation techniques, strategic plant groupings, and so much more. Join us on this journey towards a greener, more sustainable future. Watch now and let your creativity bloom.
Creating a drought-tolerant garden landscape is a sustainable and environmentally friendly way to conserve water and maintain a beautiful garden. Here are some tips and ideas for designing a drought-tolerant garden. Choose the right plants. Select native or drought-tolerant plant species that are adapted to your local climate. They will require less water and maintenance. Consider succulents, ornamental grasses, and Mediterranean plants as they are typically well suited for drought conditions. Group plants with similar water needs. Cluster plants with similar water requirements together. This allows you to water them more efficiently and conserves water. Use mulch. Apply a layer of mulch such as wood chips or gravel around your plants to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Efficient irrigation. Consider installing a drip irrigation system or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to the root zone, minimizing water waste. Use a timer or a smart irrigation system to ensure you don't overwater. Rainwater harvesting. Collect rainwater in barrels or tanks to use for garden irrigation. This can reduce your reliance on municipal water sources. Soil preparation. Improve the soil's water retention capacity by adding organic matter such as compost. Well amended soil can hold moisture more effectively. Choose permeable surfaces. Option for permeable paving materials like gravel, permeable concrete, or decomposed granite for paths and patios. This allows rainwater to penetrate the soil. Reduce lawn area. Lawns require significant amount of water to stay green. Consider reducing the size of your lawn or replacing it with drought-tolerant ground covers. Plan for efficient water flow. Design your garden to capture and direct rainwater towards the plantings, maximizing natural irrigation. Regular maintenance. Regularly check for weeds and remove them promptly. They will as they compete with your plants for water. Prune and deadhead plants to encourage healthy growth. Monitor water needs. Pay attention to your plants and adjust your watering schedule based on their actual needs. Avoid watering on a fixed schedule. Choose decorative elements wisely. Option for hardscape features and decorative elements that require little to no maintenance, such as decorative rocks or drought resistant sculptures. Consider native wildlife. Attract pollinators and beneficial insects by planting native flowers and shrubs. This can help maintain a healthy ecosystem in your garden. Remember that drought tolerant gardens can be incredibly diverse and beautiful. By implementing these practices and choosing the right plant species, you can create an attractive and sustainable landscape that conserves water and reduces maintenance efforts. Hi there, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos.